everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Ray, and today I have an exciting topic for you: nail care. Taking care of your nails is not just about aesthetics, it's also about maintaining their health. In this video, we'll cover the do's and don'ts of at-home nail care to ensure your nails stay strong, beautiful, and healthy. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our helpful tips and tricks. Let's get started. Understanding the anatomy of your nails is the first step in proper nail care. Nails are composed of layers of a protein called keratin. They protect the sensitive tips of our fingers and toes. Now, let's move on to the do's and don'ts. Trim your nails regularly. Regularly trim your nails to prevent ingrown nails. For a softer trimming experience, consider doing so shortly after a shower or bath. Utilize a nail file to gently round off the corners or edges of your nails. Utilize a nail serum. Employing a nail strengthening serum can be instrumental in repairing your nails. Much like other body parts, your nails benefit from being kept moisturized. Consider applying almond or avocado oil to your cuticles and nail beds before bedtime to prevent them from becoming dry or brittle. Keep your nails dry and clean at all times. Steer clear of unclean or damp environments, as these conditions can foster the growth of bacteria beneath your nails, which can be challenging to eliminate. Furthermore, prolonged and frequent exposure to moisture may increase the risk of developing split fingernails. Maintain a healthy, high-protein diet. Boost your body's ability to produce keratin, the protein that constitutes your nails, by incorporating foods such as fish, almonds, and beans into your diet. Additionally, consider taking daily supplements like biotin and fish oil, readily available at your local supermarket or health food store. Exercise caution during manicures or pedicures. Ensure that the tools used by your nail technician are clean and sanitized. Request that they refrain from touching your cuticles, and to prevent the spread of foot-related illnesses, ensure that foot baths are cleaned with a bleach solution between sessions. Avoid using harsh nail polish. Nail polishes containing formaldehyde and dibutyl phthalate can weaken your nails. Prolonged and frequent application of pigmented colors may also lead to weakening or yellowing of the nails. Cease nail biting habits. If you have a tendency to bite your nails, take proactive steps to quit. Overcoming this habit is crucial because your mouth harbors bacteria and germs that can easily enter your body through abrasions caused by your teeth. Addressing the issue of trimming nail cuticles. The nail cuticle serves to protect your nail and nail bed. Trimming, pushing it inward, or cutting it creates a pathway for dirt, debris, soap water, and microorganisms such as fungus, bacteria, and yeast to penetrate the nail bed or deeper layers of the epidermis. Well, there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to care for your nails at home. Remember, healthy nails are not just about appearance. They reflect your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to share it with your friends. Subscribe for more beauty and self-care tips. Until next time, take care of those nails and stay fabulous.